Tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
Carrots.
Potatoes.
I see cheese.
You see what?
I see one.
A van?
A bicycle.
Oh, a bicycle. That's right.
Bicycle.
What?
My bicycle.
Bye, bicycle. See you later.
Bye.
Bye. Okay.
Onions.
Onions.
Lettuce.
Squash.
Grass.
Yep.
Carrot.
Cabbage.
Carrot.
Say cabbage.
Cabbage.
Yep. Sounds like you're saying garbage, but that works. Say, what's this? Can you say cauliflower? Where's cauliflower? Good job. Where's asparagus? Nope. Try again. Yeah, that's asparagus. Where's the celery? Nope, that's peas.
Carrots.
Carrots over here, and this is celery. See the celery? Where are the beets?
Beets.
Yeah.
Beets.
Little beets. They're purple and red, or red. Dark purple. These are beets. See? Where are the cucumbers? Yeah. Where is the turnip? Yeah. Where is the spinach? Where is the beans?
Raspberries.
Raspberries. There's the beans over here. And this is the spinach and peas.